Create caption contests. Hi, this is Tim. Welcome to All Affiliate Cash. Social media marketing hack number 19 suggests that you create caption contests. Caption contests can be compared to photo or video contests because of the nature in which they are presented. On most occasions, caption contests are initiated by submitting captions for social media users' pictures or names without a caption. They can bring about some pretty good laughs if presented correctly. We have all seen these, and many of us have participated. Again, the savvy marketer will use a photo or meme that includes his product or service in some clever manner, making the participant think about the photo in order to create a clever or meaningful caption. A social media marketer should take advantage of caption contests as a way of drumming up support for his or her promotional information. This is all uploaded, of course, on social media, where things can get viral very, very quickly. To stay connected to me, subscribe and hit the little bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video. Until next time, life is good.